Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is PATU, and I am so thrilled and excited to be sharing with you guys today yet another video, do-it-yourself video. So I've always been into like wild colors and sporting in my hair, mainly because I just sometimes at the time in the beginning stages when I was younger, when I tried to dye my hair a particular color, it just didn't come out like that. Like I tried to dye my hair once with red, but then it came out pink. I tried to give like a burgundy, but then it came out purple. So you just learn to embrace wild colors. So it's so cool that now it's like accepted to wear wild colors. Okay, so this beautiful snow white. You see how gorgeous this looks on my skin tone? And I know you guys are probably like, what? Yeah, I have rocked this on TMC. You guys see me do photos, I've done promos with it. Like this is a very this is not a cheap unit. It is 39 inches of gorgeous. It's bone straight, but I curled it of course using my Kanye roller sets. But I'm gonna turn this bad boy into the color pink. And I know you guys are gonna be like, what, you gonna turn the whole thing? With the small packet, I'm not sure how much, but I'm gonna at least make it as much pink as I can. So, how I'm gonna go about doing this, I'm gonna do it for the price of $1. You guys are like, how you gonna dye all that? I'm not gonna be able to dye 39 inches, okay? But I'm gonna go get as pink as I can. So basically, I'm gonna do it for $1 using this amazing kit. And in this kit, you get a 1-color packet, which is 5 fluid ounce. Which is not that big because it's like smaller than the box. And then the cool thing is it comes with this little tiny comb, which is kind of cool because if you want to create like baby hairs or have combs just to travel with you, this could be one of them that you can take with you. And for $1, you can't go wrong with it. So what you would normally do is, from what it says on here, you would comb the color through your hair, let it air dry, and then when you want ready to take the color out, you just wash it with warm water and soap. So this is like bone straight white. So the reason I said I'm gonna go pink with this is because I'm ready to try something different, guys. I am. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna turn this luscious, gorgeous, white, gorgeous locks into pink. And as you can see, the girl was able to, you comb it in and you can wash it out, and it's $1. So I could say if this one packet's not enough, it won't kill me to go get 2 or 3. I'll just buy more, just stock up. But they do have variety of color because I got it in blue and I got it in purple. So let's do some YouTube magic so you can see me show you how I turn this into pink. Now let you guys see how I turn this into pink. Let's get started with YouTube magic. Now guys, what I decided to do was to pour some of the temporary color that I got from the Dollar Tree, where everything's $1, into a container so that's easier for me to move it around. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how easily it comes off, since it says you comb it in and wash it out. You definitely want to be mindful to check and read to make sure the color is what it says on the box. Where it has the sign that says comb in and wash out, you want to make sure you didn't grab the cherry red rouge by accident instead of the pink. But in this video, it's definitely a pink. The way that it does touch and feel, the feel of it is actually, it feels like mousse, but it's not as heavy as mousse. If you would like to stretch it out, you can stretch it out with anything like conditioner. But keep in mind, just like how conditioner is heavy on the hair and makes it look more limp and wet look, it definitely does that. Even if you blow dry it, I'm telling you, it still does that. But for the unit itself, I actually had to use 4 packs. So it actually cost me $4 to do it. So as you can see, I'm sectioning out my hair. I found that sectioning out my hair and detangling it in sections of 6 and going, from the top of the roots on down without touching lace made it a whole lot easier. Now, I have seen videos where girls were having issues where they accidentally dye their lace and they're trying to get rid of the color by trying to use that Ritz color remover. I'm telling you guys, that does not work. Using isotone, using apple vinegar, regular vinegar, any type of detergent, dish liquid, shampoo, I'm telling you guys, it doesn't even matter if it's tied. It's not going to come off. But I'm going to have a video showing you guys exactly how I went about doing it. As you can see, I'm applying it with a brush. I'm brushing in the colors, not touching the roots at all. And I was actually satisfied. I really had so many amazing compliments. And it was just so amazing. I would not even think I could get something like that out of a little small 5-ounce kit that comes with a tiny comb. But it was pretty amazing. I left my roots white. Of course, the lace itself is like a brown, but I left it white so that way I can, you know, have it look like a frost look. And I did purposely kind of like rinse out parts of the hair so I can have a little bit of that white show in the mixture of the pink, so it can have like this ombre yet beautiful effect. And here you go. Amazing, isn't it? And like I can't ask for anything more. And look at the roots, still nice. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna show you guys a picture of what it looks like when I got myself dressed and ready that day and how I looked. So voila, don't I look amazing? So yeah, here we go with the washout. I washed it out with just shampoo and conditioner mix just to make sure, because I know it says water, but I want to make sure I take it all out since it's a white unit. And bam, the color, as you can see, is literally like when I put it under water, literally like rinses off. So this is pretty amazing. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do. Also check out the Get Inside Me show page, both on Instagram and Facebook. And like I always say, when life gives you lemons, make a strong lemon margarita. See you guys next time.